Hey guys, welcome back to another makeup tutorial. So today I'm gonna show you how I did this soft e-girl look. It's super cute and glowy, so if you're feeling this vibe, let's get right into it and I'll show you how it's done. I'm starting out with some moisturizer. It's the best way to make sure the base looks really soft and smooth once the makeup is actually on. When applying, just make sure it's all blended in so your skin looks really soft and ready for the rest of the makeup. Next, I'm putting in these lenses. Since I'm going for an eager look today, I'm using these tall big eye lenses to really make them pop. Why is this so hard? Oh my god, please just stay in there, please. Finally, it's done. Now let's move on to the next side. Hopefully this one goes in a lot faster than the first one did. Moving on to the primer. I'm using this illuminating one to give the skin a nice, healthy shine before the foundation goes on. Now I'm just blending that all in with a sponge. You really want to make sure you press it into the skin so it looks seamless. Okay, for the base, I'm using this avocado foundation. I love how it looks. It gives really fresh and natural finish without being too much. I'm just dotting this base all over. It makes everything look so much more even and soft. Now using this brush, I will blend everything out. It really helps the base melt into the skin so it looks more natural. And don't forget the neck. You really have to blend it all the way down so everything actually matches. Time for some powder. I'm just using this to set everything in place so the look stays fresh and doesn't get oily later on. Taking this big fluffy brush, I'll just dust off any excess powder. It will help my skin looking smooth and not too cakey. Now for blush, to get that e-girl look, I'm applying it really high up, basically right under my eyes. Okay, eyes next. I'm taking the skin shade from the palette and popping it right in the inner corners. It's a little trick to make the eyes look way wider and more awake. Starting with the liner now. I'm going in from the outer corner and keeping it a bit thicker than usual to really sharpen up the eyes and pull the whole look together. And also apply eyeliner along with the waterline. Now take a white pencil and apply it right on the waterline. It really helps to brighten up the eyes. I'm taking a brown pencil to create aegyo under my eyes. The easiest way to do this is just to smile. You'll see exactly where that natural line is and that's where you have to apply it. Then I'm going in with a white pencil just to highlight that area. This makes the aegyo look more prominent. To finish the aegyo, I'll use a cotton bud and blend that white pencil out. Just giving my lashes a quick curl to prep them. It really helps lift the eyes before I apply mascara. Going in with a thick coat of mascara. I'm also tapering the lashes together slightly to give in that spiky, defined look that really makes the eyes stand out. Now, I'm just repeating those same steps on the other eye. Moving on to the lips, I'm using this soft nude shade. I'm actually running out the center of my upper lip a bit to give them a fuller, more doll-like shape. Now I'm adding this pink shade on top to give my lips a bit more of a plumpy, hydrated look. I'm just blending it all together so the color looks seamless. I felt like it needed a bit more blush, so I'm just adding another layer. Next, I'm going in with some highlighter. I'm hitting the tops of my cheeks, the tip of my nose, and the bridge right above it. To finish the eyes, I'm just tapping a little bit of silver glitter into the inner corners. To make the glow more popping, I'm going back over those same spots with a liquid highlighter. I'm just using my finger to lightly blend that in. And that is the finished look. I'm really happy with how the eyes and the glow turned out. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please make sure to give the video a like and subscribe to my channel for more. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!